Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain Newton's law of cooling. So let us see the question in this topic. A hot body cools in air to a rate proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and that of surrounding air. If the air is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius and that of the body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius in 12 minutes, find the temperature of the body in 24 minutes. So before starting this problem, so first we have to write here what are the given information. Here the surrounding medium is to be air. The temperature of the surrounding medium is to be 30 degrees. So let us take theta 0 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So now here what he has given, so the body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. That means when T equal to 0, the temperature of the body I am taking theta equal to 80 degrees Celsius. After 12 minutes, that means if T equal to 12 minutes, the temperature of the body theta equal becomes 60 degrees Celsius. Now I am finding the temperature of the body at 24 minutes. That means the temperature of the body should be below the 60 degrees. So now see. So by Newton's law of cooling, so we have log theta minus theta 0 equal to minus kt plus c. See here k is the proportional constant and c is the integrational constant. So finding these two values I need here the two conditions. Let us see. So now I have theta 0 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. That means now we have log theta minus 30 equal to minus kt plus c. So for this now I am taking it is to be equation 1, right? So what is the first condition to me? When T equal to 0, theta equal to 80 degrees Celsius. That means from equation 1. So that is log of theta minus 80 minus 30 equal to minus k into 0 plus c. So which implies log 50 equal to c. Therefore what I got, the first constant c equal to log 50. Substitute c value in equation 1. So what I am getting when substituting in equation 1 of the c value, log theta minus 30 equal to minus kt plus log 50. So I am bringing this log 50 to left side, that is log theta minus 30 equal log 50 equal to minus kt. Now this is equation number 2. So now we have one more condition, which is when T equal to 12, theta equal to 60. So from equation 2, so what I am getting, this is log 60 minus 30 minus log 50 equal to minus k into 12. So for this I am taking it as to be equation 3. Now what I want to be do, equation 2 divided by equation 3. So when I am dividing these two equations, what I am getting here, log theta minus 30 minus log 50 divided by log 60 minus 30, which is 30 minus log 50 equal to minus k into t by minus k into 12. So when I'm kk is to be cancelled here, so then what I am getting, which is log a, this is b, that is log a minus b, that is log theta minus 30 by 50 whole divided by log 30 by 50, which is equal to t by 12. So what did I use here? Log a minus log b equal to log of a by b. So now here 0 0 get cancelled. Now which is log theta minus 30 by 50 divided by log 3 by 5 equal to t by 12. Now last condition, which is what? T equal to 24 minutes. That means when t equal to 24. So therefore what I am getting here? Log theta minus 30 by 50 whole divided by log 3 by 5 equal to 24 by 12. So now 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Now what I am getting here, which is log theta minus 30 by 50 equal to 2 into log of 3 by 5. So here I would like to continue as to be log theta minus 30 by 50 equal to log of 3 by 5 whole square, since a into log m equal to log m power a. So here log will get cancelled. What I am getting here, log theta minus 30 by 50 equal to 3 by 5 whole square, which is what? 9 by 25. Now I want to get the temperature of the body theta, that is theta minus 30 equal to 50 into 9 by 25, that is 25 1 ja 25 2 ja, which implies theta minus 30 equal to 9 2 ja 18. So therefore theta equal to 18 plus 30, therefore theta equal to 48 degrees Celsius. That means after 24 minutes the temperature of the body is to be 48 degrees Celsius. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe my channel. So thank you very much.